Hello everybody, Vishal here. Today I'll be teaching you how to use Python for programming. So first let's understand what is programming. The process of creating a software is called as programming. A program is just a sequence of instructions telling the computer what to do. We need to provide those instructions in a language that a computer can understand. Programming language is something like a code for writing down instructions that a computer can understand. Now, we don't understand the language of the computer, nor can the computer understand our language. So, what we do is we use a programming language such that the computer is able to understand our language. And there's something which is called as the compiler. What this does is it converts our language, which is understandable by humans, to the language which is understandable by the computer. So compiler basically acts as a translator. Now, Python is one such programming language. So today, what I'll be doing is I'll be teaching you how to download Python and also a code editor which is called as PyCharm. More specifically, it is called as an IDE or an integrated developing environment. So it is super easy when we use a code editor because we'll be able to write programs much simpler in a much faster way, and it is much more efficient to use an IDE. So in today's class, that's what we're going to be doing. So to download Python, let's just go to www.python.org. So when we go over here, we go to the download section and we come to the download section. Over here, you have to download the latest version of Windows for Windows because I'm using a Windows laptop. So I'll be downloading it under Windows. You have different options for Windows, Linux, Macs, and others as well. So you can download it according to which uh, device you're using. So I'm just going to go and click over here. The current version for the Python now in the time of recording this video is 3.9.1. So let's just go ahead and download this. I'll pause the video while downloading this and then again I'll resume so that you can see what to do. So now what we have to do is we have to add Python to path, so which is very important. So once we have done that, we have to just click on install now, and it will ask you for a prompt because you're downloading it from the internet, and you say yes, and it starts downloading. So once the Python is installed, you get the Python app which is over here. You can use this as well right now for coding, but using an IDE will make your coding much more efficient and it will make it much more simple. So then let's download the uh, PyCharm, which is an IDE. So you just go to www.jetbrains.com slash pycharm slash download. The first thing which you get, you click on it. So here too you have an option for either Windows, Mac or Linux. So I am using my Windows laptop, so I click on Windows, and there is a professional uh, license and another one is community. So since we are using because professional is paid, so I'll be using the community. You just have to click on download. So I'll just download this and then I'll start the recording. So after downloading PyCharm, you get a visual like this. So you have to click on next and it will ask you the destination folder. So you put on the destination where you want it to get downloaded, and then after specifying the place, you click on next and then add a 64-bit launcher. I'm just putting it on my desktop shortcut and create a switch.py. So all you have to do is just check all of these checkboxes and just click on next. And finally, you just click on install and it gets installed. And once all of that is done, the PyCharm gets downloaded. And you can just double click on it. You get some prompts, you click next, 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 and finally your PyCharm would have been downloaded. That's it for today's video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video where we learn to write our first code, which we can do it in literally seconds. Hope you all enjoy the video. Thank you guys.